take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the...
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back. Baby, I said I'm back for another YouTube video. And if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, my girl?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year.
This hair is so tea. This hair is so tea. This hair is so tea. When I tell you, I've been getting so much better at my hairstyles, and it gets so much better when you actually have a good wig you're working with. I bleached the knots, I plugged. The curl pattern is so cute, so fun. I cannot wait to tell you guys more tea about this hair. Girl, if you are ready to see how I install this wig, if you are ready to know all the details, baby, keep on watching. All right, my love, so IDefine did go ahead and send me this 18-inch unit, and I was so excited. Like I told you guys in the intro, I did pluck and bleach this wig off camera, which I've been getting so much better at plucking and bleaching. This is their 13x4 unit. It's constructed with love, baby. This wig is going to stay on with the combs and the elastic bands. So first thing I like to do is add a little foundation to the lace after we bleach everything down. I like to go a little bit more tan with my foundation. I just feel like it blends better. So once we throw this wig on, we are going to play with her and see what we want to do. I love the length of this hair. It just gives super duper natural, so I feel like the side part would have aided, but I decided to go with the middle part because I don't know, I just feel like I usually do side parts with like bob type wigs, but this wig, oh baby, we had to get the perfect crisp middle part. After we get the part how we wanted to, I'm taking my hot comb at 450 degrees and I'm just kind of molding the hair out of the way. Now this is a step that I've just got into, but I really do like that widow's peak kind of look with my wig. I tried it on the last wig I installed on myself and I fell in love. It is a little scary to like angle out your hair like this and just yank all of it out. I'm not even gonna hold you, it is a little scary, so take your time if you're interested in the widow's peak, but I just kind of wanted to show you the route that I take. I really take my time. You really want to get a nice curvature, and honestly you want more of an aggressive curve, but with this wig I didn't want to do too much, so I kept it real light, real simple. But you also want to use take out a very thin layer of hair. You don't want to pull out too much hair. So after I got the amount of hair that I wanted out, I'm just going in with that same hot comb, pushing everything back and making sure I like the angle, it's even and it looks good. And then I ain't gonna lie, girl, take your time, hope for the best, and you just start pulling it out. This lace was very good, so it didn't rip. Be careful. I never rip my lace, God forbid, knock on wood. I do not want to rip my lace, but it came out, the hair came out so easily, so that was a really good thing. After I pulled out the hair, I did go ahead, sorry y'all, I was knocking, so now my dog is like checking the door. But after I pulled out the hair, I just go back in with my tweezers. Like I said, I tweezed off camera, but now that we pulled some hair out of the front of the hairline, we're gonna go back in and tweeze and just make sure we have it looking real nice. Ooh, real nice and natural. So Gots to Be Glue did go ahead and launch their new wax stick, and I've been using it and I've been loving it lately. One of the ways I ensure my wigs are literally looking the best they could possibly look is investing in a good hot comb. This hot comb is actually very cheap. It's only from Kiss, so it's inexpensive, but it goes up to 450 degrees, and the ones that go to 500 is even better. But with a good wax stick and a nice hot comb, it is going to look really good. So now this lace is actually transparent. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my foundation like a little bit lower because when we cut, we don't want it to be white. So I'm just adding my skin tone foundation. Like I said, I actually like to go a little darker, but I don't know why I grabbed for my natural skin tone, which it wasn't any problem. We still got the job done. So now we're gonna slide her all the way back, baby, and we are going to go ahead and use no glue. We're just gonna go in with some spray, just a little adhesive spray. I get all weird with my angles because I was also recording a TikTok too, but we're just gonna go ahead and spray this down. Then I'm just gonna blow dry on cool. Make sure you blow dry on cool, okay? You don't want to melt The adhesive, you just want to get it tacky and sticky. Then I just go ahead and make sure it is nice and covering my natural hairline. So right where my hairline begins is where this hairline of this wig is going to begin. You can see already this is going to be a beautiful seamless install. I'm just pushing the lace into my skin, not the hair, but the lace by taking the comb, combing through and pushing down. After we added some more adhesive spray to the lace, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the blow dryer on cool heat, and we're gonna now take an edge brush and we're just going to, you know, reinforce and make sure it's nice and stick down. And I'm gonna go ahead and just take these super large extra kitchen scissors, and I'm gonna go in a zigzag motion, and I'm just going to cut off this excess lace. For this to be a transparent lace, I'm not gonna lie, this is blending into my skin really, really good. IDefine is a really, really good company. They have great communication skills. Their wigs are beautiful. I really do like this company. This is my second time working with them, and I have no complaints. Shipping time is great. They have great deals. You know, we're coming up on holiday season, so I absolutely love that. And just the way this lace, yeah, before the melt, okay, this is just the adhesive. So there's a difference between, you know, gluing down your wig and melting your lace. So you want to find a lace melt, okay? Lace melt is way different. You saw what my lace looks like before, and you can literally see in real time what happens when you take a lace melt and you just put it at the ends of the lace. It literally, I don't know what magic is up in that. I don't know. But it just melts that lace. It really gives that salon finish, that, I don't know, it just does something. I'm getting better and better at my installs, which is crazy because I've been a hair influencer for a while, so you would think I'm already tea, but I'm just getting better. So now we're just defining the parts. We're doing the last finish touches. I feel like my part was a little wide in the back, so I went ahead and took a black spray, and we're just like sharpening out the part. Take your time, you know, you can mess up. I messed up doing this a few times, but now I kind of got it down packed. The hair looked really cute when it was like combed out like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and just take my diffuser and like diffuse some water into this. This is more of a wavy texture. It's not necessarily like mad curly, which I really do like that. I feel like this hair just gave effortless. This is a hair style that you just wet while you take a shower, scrunch it up, come out, and you looking real good, okay? We're gonna go ahead and just take a little bit of mousse, and we are just going to rub that all through the curls as well, just so we can add a little bit more body to it. And it literally looks so freaking good. Like, this hair is literally so gorgeous. I was so sad when I had to take it out because I was just getting so many compliments. I just feel like it kind of fits my personality. I don't know how to explain that, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just going to cut just so I can get like kind of like a blunt cut at the ends. I just didn't like the ends that were like a little too straggly. They weren't bad, but I just wanted like a blunt cut with this 18-inch wig. Then I just framed a little bit to my face. This is not layers, this is just face framing. And yeah, so let me show you guys what the hair looks like when it's about 80% dry. This is just super duper pretty. The curls are freaking gorgeous. The hair has so much body. The lace will melt into your skin seamlessly. This is such a great unit. I love the density of this hair. I love everything about this unit. I really liked when it was wet though. This is the wet look, and I love the wet look. Like, the wet look was tea, the lace is tea. Like, everything is just tea. It's Girl La La. Oh my God, rest in peace to Girl La La. Wow, definitely a moment of silence for her. But this hair was honestly really, really gorgeous. I really did love this unit. 10 out of 10 for me. Alright my loves, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys loved this video as much as I loved it. I feel like this just brought my confidence back. I have a couple of errands to run tomorrow, and you guys know I do my hair often. I'm keeping this wig on, and that tells you everything you need to know. I love this hair. I love the curl pattern. I got so many compliments. It's so soft. It's so pretty. Like, literally butter smooth, no shedding. Like, literally so tea girl. Literally love it so much. The lace blended in is so freaking nice. Plucked good, bleached good. Everything was just great. If you are thinking about getting your hands on this wig, everything's gonna be linked down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, join the team, and just do like Nike. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. I love you guys.